Well, it's 5:15 and we're on our way to our swampland. One of the deer leases we have, it's flooded timber. This is my first guided duck hunt by Mr. Logan Ramsey. And so, actually it's our first duck hunt together, so I'm excited. I got up about 3:15 this morning. I've already had 2 or 3 cups of coffee. I've already spent a lot of time with the Lord this morning in the Word and praying. And now it's going to be a great morning with my buddy right here. The duck guide, the duck killer. We're excited. Let's go.
Scouting that hole for about 2 weeks. I know right where I'm going, time to make them bleed. Gonna wait till they drop from the heavens, just right. Me and my buddies and my dog at my side. I love living life with my eyes to the sky. With my eyes to the sky. Sunshine with tomorrow morning waiting on my mind. Weighing on my mind.
Well, we had a good shoot this morning. If we could have hit, especially me, we would have tagged out on ducks early. This is my first duck hunt, real duck hunt of the year. So I was a little bit rusty at first, but then I started connecting. We got some real pretty drake, some wood ducks, a black duck. He's out there rounding up the stuff now, and he made me get all the decoys out of the water. He's out there getting the ducks now. There's nothing like being in the outdoors with your children, watching them learn and grow. Logan worked several ducks this morning right into our hole, and he's learned that by watching YouTube and being with a couple duck hunters. But man, he is a good hunter. I'm proud of him. He can shoot better than me too.
At my side, I love living life with my eyes to the sky. With my eyes to the sky. That mossy oak duck blind blends right in by the time they see it. It's a sin, shoot where they're going, not where they've been. I got 12 ducks with that green paint job, 6 more circling right on time. I love living life with my eyes to the sky. When the day is done, we'll wait for the sun, and when it comes, we'll load our guns and live our lives with our eyes to the sky. With my eyes to the sky. I got my finger on the trigger, shells in the gun. Flip off the safety, let's have some fun.